This video tutorial I will explain AWS SNS Subscription Filter Policy. AWS SNS allows you to send messages to multiple subscribers like email, SMS, mobile apps, or other AWS services. But sometimes not all the subscribers need to receive every message. Subscription filter policy helps you to control which messages a subscriber will receive. What is a subscription filter policy? A subscription filter policy lets SNS subscribers to decide which messages they want to receive based on message attributes. Instead of sending all messages to all subscribers, AWS SNS only delivers relevant messages to each subscriber. Now we will see how does it work. A publisher sends a message to SNS topic. SNS topic is nothing but a central channel where messages are sent. The message contains attributes. Attributes are nothing but extra details about the message. SNS checks each subscriber's filter policy to see if the message matches. Only subscribers whose filter policy matches the message attributes will receive the message. Now we will see the example scenario. Imagine you have a SNS topic for weather alerts. There are 3 subscribers. Alice wants only rain alerts, Bob wants only snow alerts, and Charlie wants all alerts. Step 1 is a publisher sends messages with attributes. In this use case, a weather service acts as a publisher, which sends messages with attributes. Message attribute is weather and values are rain and snow. Message 1 saying heavy rain in New York. In this attribute is weather, value is rain. Message 2 saying snowstorm in Chicago. Attribute is weather and value is snow. Step 2 is filter policies decide who gets the message. Alice filter policy mentioned weather equal to rain. So she gets rain alert. Bob's filter policy mentioned weather equal to snow. So he gets snow alert. Charlie has no filter policy, so he get all the alerts. This way, subscribers only get the messages they care about. Why we have to use subscription filter policy? First point is reduces unnecessary messages. Subscribers get only what they need. Second point is saves cost. Avoids unnecessary message processing. Third point is improves efficiency. Helps application process only relevant data. Fourth point is simplifies message handling. No need for subscribers to filter messages themselves. How to set a subscription filter policy? You have to go to AWS SNS console, select a topic, choose a subscription, edit the subscription and add filter policy, then save the settings. You can also do this using AWS CLI or AWS SDK. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.